Hi everyone, it's me again. Join me as I guide you through on how to create a table in Google Sheets. Ensure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make mistakes. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Now, let's jump right into the video. Open up your Google Sheet data you want to convert into a table. You select all the data you want to make into a table. Then you click on the Data tab at the top of the screen and you select Create a Filter. Now, your data has been turned into a table. Here, you can sort your data alphabetically by clicking the small drop-down icon beside each of the headings. You can sort from A to Z or Z to A. You can also click on this border icon at the top to add borders to your table. Now, once that has been done, you can also click on the Format tab at the top of the screen and select Alternating Colors. So, you can select whichever colors you want to pick for your table. Once you're done with your selection, you click on the Done button at the top. Now, your data has been turned into a table. Another way you can create a table for your data is to select all the datas, then you click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen and you click on Tables. Now, you can choose from all kinds of table types or table samples you want to use. So, when you've picked your choice, you click on the Insert button here. So guys, that is how you create tables in Google Sheets. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.